Hello, my friends who love football and beautiful views. This time, we will fly high above the Bantul sky to see one of the sports icons that is very well known in Yogyakarta, namely the Sultan Agung Stadium. This stadium is not only a place for teams to compete local football, but also the pride of the people of Bantul as a magnificent and historic center of sporting activities. From the air, we can see how magnificent the Sultan Agung Stadium is with a capacity of more than 30,000 spectators. Its location in the middle of a green expanse gives a beautiful and natural feel, as if the stadium is truly integrated with the natural surroundings. From here you can also clearly see the well-maintained green field, ready to witness an exciting match full of football enthusiasm and passion. Not only as a place to hold football matches, Sultan Agung Stadium is also often used for various large events, ranging from music concerts to other sporting activities. This stadium has indeed become an important part of Bantul's history and culture, with facilities that are continuously being improved to meet national and international standards. From the stands to the lighting, everything has been designed to provide the best experience for spectators and players. As the drone moves further, we can also see supporting facilities around the stadium, such as a large parking area, training fields, and facility rooms for athletes. Everything is arranged neatly and efficiently, showing how serious the management of this stadium is in order to become a proud sports center. The beauty of the Sultan Agung Stadium is not only visible from its splendor, but also from the surrounding views. From above, you can see the rice fields and hills that surround the stadium, giving a touch of nature that is so typical of Yogyakarta. The hot afternoon sun or the stadium lights at night, both offer stunning views and are full of charm. So, for those of you who have never visited Sultan Agung Stadium, hopefully this broadcast can give you an idea of how extraordinary Bantul's proud stadium is. And for those of you who have been here often, maybe this aerial view will give you a new perspective that you have never seen before. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for other interesting videos. And tell us in the comments which other stadiums you would like to see from the air. See you in the next video. And keep supporting Indonesian sports.